to Cosmos Airdrop. Today we are going to explore an airdrop known as OpenSea. So this OpenSea have announced their launching of their token, and I will put you through the step-to-step procedure that you will need for you to participate and earn this airdrop during the distribution time. So what you're going to know is to watch this video to the end and make sure that you don't skip any part of it. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video, and don't forget to like this video to help us increase in our YouTube algorithm. So first of all, before I dive into the procedure of earning this airdrop, let me explain a little bit what this airdrop is all about. The largest NFT marketplace facilitating the peer-to-peer trading of non-fungible tokens with billions in trading volume and millions of users worldwide. Now this OpenSea is the leading platform for creators and collectors. Now what you should know that this airdrop is a confirmed airdrop and is going to launch very soon. So we're going to be waiting for the announcement of this airdrop. So make sure that you join us in our new Telegram group so that you'll be able to participate during the listing of this airdrop and the breeding of the NFT. Now for you to participate in this airdrop, all you need to do is to go ahead and click on the link which I'll be placing on the description of this video and also on the Telegram group. So once you click on the link, it is going to take you to a page that looks like this. Now what you should do is to proceed and connect your Twitter. Now if you want to connect your Twitter, you have to go ahead and click on this button right here. So once you click on these three arrows right here, you have to go to reward. Connect your Twitter and your Discord, which is the way to earn the reward in this company. You have to connect your wallet. So this wallet is being connected with the Ethereum. So what you're going to do is to copy this link that you see on the description. So you copy it, go ahead and download MetaMask. So if you download MetaMask, you go into MetaMask. You have to set your password. So once you are done setting an account in MetaMask, so you just have a password right there. So you go to this button right here. And click on search. So once you click on search, go ahead and impute the link that you just copied from the description. So if you input the link right here, it's going to take you to this page. This is also the OpenSea page. Now what you're going to do is to go ahead and click on connect wallet. So once you click on connect wallet, you're going to proceed and connect your wallet. So after your connecting your wallet is done, the second step is to connect your Twitter and your Discord. So what you're going to do is to click on the activity right here and proceed to connect your Twitter, then connect your Discord. So when that is done, the next step that you need to do is to connect your Solana wallet. So you can use your Solana wallet, you can use an abstract wallet, or you can use your main EVM wallet. What I mean by EVM wallet, like I use, is this MetaMask. So what I use right here is MetaMask. So whenever you see connect wallet, when it comes, it will definitely come out twice. So what you're going to do is to connect that wallet. So go ahead and proceed on type on connect. So once you have performed these two tasks, which is to connect your Discord and also connect your Twitter, what you're going to do is to proceed to the main activity, which is to deposit some USDD right here. So what I mean is that, for example, look at this XP that gave us 50 XP right here, and this one is giving up about 200 XP right here. So this activity is still in place and is still in uncommon stage. Now I'll explain what is this uncommon stage and the epic stage, but first of all, let me just tell you this. So what you're going to do is to deposit 5 USDD, which is the minimum for you to activate this airdrop. So this is not just a free airdrop, so you're going to need 5 USD for you to activate the airdrop. So once you are done with the activation, you are going to join the NFT sales and bleed in with the platform. So if you have any question, you can go ahead and ask me down the description of this video, or you can also go ahead and text me privately right there on Telegram. I'll be answering every question that you need to know about this platform. Once you are done depositing your 5 USDD, you're going to see all the persons right here that have deposited some USDD, and you're going to be ranging your names right here. So they are going to be given an NFT immediately after your deposit. So during the launching of this platform, these NFT are going to be sold into USDD, and you're going to withdraw the money from your MetaMask. So like I told you guys about the uncommon and the epic, that is this program known as the voyage system that offers the XP, like I showed you guys reward. So this XP reward are divided into five vital titles, which is the common, the uncommon, the rare, the epic, and the legendary. So this voyage that you see right there, once it is being completed, you are going to be earning your airdrop. Early before this airdrop was launched, it was being sold at 5,000 USD per each, but right now it is being sold as $5 for you to participate. So if you want me to push you through this airdrop, all you need to do is to go ahead and make inquiries by asking questions right there on the comments. These simple steps that you can increase your chances of receiving this C token and start exploring this C platform. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cryptocurrency related content. Thanks for watching Cosmos Airdrop. If you have any question or need for further clarification, leave a comment. Don't forget to follow us on our social media for more crypto updates. See you in our next video.